Hey everyone, it's Topham here, and in today's video I'm going to jump on my computer and show you one of the best places online to get free beginner piano sheet music arrangements. If you've got beginners and you like the sound of free, then this is the video for you. Let's check it out now. Okay, so I've just logged into the gmajormusictheory.org site, and you can see a very clear link to free piano music. We all like free piano music. And here are his lists of music. Now, the layout isn't the most amazing you might have seen on a website. However, the content is fantastic. So take your time, have a look around here. But the place I tend to start is the links at the top here. So this is by order of difficulty. So true, real beginners you can click on. And what you'll find is that you get solo sheet music, you get accompaniments, you get all sorts of different things here. It's amazing what he's giving away. Let's check out what he's got here. Ode to Joy. So if I click this first button, these are the different icons and what they mean. This is the PDF sheet music. You can get the MIDI playback. You can get an MP3 of the music. You can get a slow MP3 of the music. That's why the turtle's there. And you can get a video of the arrangement. So let's just go straight to the Ode to Joy. This is a primer, absolute primer level piece. And there you go. That's it. And it's the kind of thing you would find in a method book. And most method books do tend to include something like Ode to Joy at some stage. Now, not all his pieces include all the fingerings, as you'll see in a moment. That's just one of his beginner ones. Now, I tended to use, when I was teaching a lot of beginner students, tended to use the primer and level 1 and 2 the most. And so you can see the number of pieces that he's got here. Some are for left hand, some are for right hand. You've got Amazing Grace and Brahms's Lullaby, Oh When the Saints, all these pieces that students love. Jesu, Joy of Man's Desiring is definitely one that I remember using with one of my students. There's some tricky bits where the hands change over here. But let me show you in just some of my favorites. So Turkey in the Straw, this will be one that will be familiar to a lot of US listeners and watchers, viewers. This is one that I've used with lots of my students. They really enjoy it, and I can just bop along on a second piano or down low on their piano in a lesson just with some simple chords, kind of thing. They really enjoy that. The For Elise level 1 version is really, really good. Every student wants to learn For Elise. We know that. And I know a lot of piano teachers are a little bit over teaching it at any level. But for a new beginner who's able to read at this level, this is a huge win for them and a really great arrangement that I have not found better anywhere online. And of course, this is all free. And something like the theme to Beethoven's Fifth as well. Ba-ba-ba-bum, da-da-da-dum. This has been great for students too. It introduced accidentals and finger movements and placements that are a little bit unusual, so students have to think about it. They're playing hands together, so you can see how the levels are increasing as we go through. And if you jump to something like level 4, you'll see that we're getting a lot more complex. So let's have a look at the Battle Hymn of the Republic, for example. You can see the level of the music that Gil has written, and it fully scored, really well done. He's even included chord symbols in these upper levels, which I think is fantastic, given the emphasis that you probably know that I place on chords. So that's always a great thing to do as well. So now you can obviously check out in your own time these MIDI accompaniments and the videos and all that kind of stuff. There is just so much in here, but I just wanted to give you a really quick overview of some of my favorite pieces from G Major Music Theory, the website by Gil Benedetti. Hope you can check it out, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, I really hope you found that video helpful, and we'll jump on Gilbert's site and check out some of his great music resources there. As always, if you've got any other questions for me, any feedback, any suggestions of sites that you use for beginner piano sheet music, then please, as always, just pop a comment down below. I can't wait to read them. Hang on a sec, just before you go, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel on YouTube, then please click the link below, and you can also check out one of my other popular videos over here. And if you're a music teacher looking for help modernizing your teaching and growing your studio business, then just check out the link up the top here for information about how you could benefit as a member of my InnerCircle piano teaching membership community.